Okay, the first thing we want to do is remove our oil fill cap. That's going to help the crankcase vent properly when draining our engine oil. After that, using a 14mm socket, we'll go ahead and remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. As the oil is draining, now is the time to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you want to replace it to prevent any leaks. Once it's finished draining, we'll go ahead and reinstall the drain bolt and torque this to 16.5 foot-pounds. Now, using a 65mm oil filter wrench, we'll go ahead and remove the old oil filter. It simply just unthreads. Make sure you have a drain pan underneath to catch any spillage. Now, before installing our new oil filter, we want to apply a thin coat of oil around the outside gasket. That's going to help removing it on our next service a lot easier. And it simply just threads back in place. And we'll torque this to 14.5 foot-pounds. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Suzuki states that this unit holds 3.6 quarts of 10W40 motorcycle oil. You can use any manufacturer here as long as it's designed for a wet clutch system. Now we'll put our oil fill cap back in place. We're going to start the engine up, let it idle for just a few minutes. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. Once it's done that, we'll go ahead and shut the engine off and let it sit for a few more minutes. That's going to get us an accurate oil level. On the right side of the crankcase, you'll notice the sight glass. We want our oil level to be between the lower and upper marks on the crankcase. And this looks great, so let's hit the street.